Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is April 9th. It's report day once again. We've got the markets right now. Corn up about a half a cent for old crop, 3.5 down for lower for new crop. But for beans, up about 11 3/4 cents, and wheat up 5. So big reaction out of beans. Talks of frost in Argentina in certain areas. That's giving some strength right now. There's just talks of that. But that's pushed the May beans above the report high that we had off of that acreage report. So beans certainly look strong, at least for now. The report is out at 11 o'clock today. We'll see what kind of numbers we get from USDA. Really, they're looking for about a 6 million bushel decline for beans, putting that at 139 million. For corn, they're looking for a reduction of about 53 million bushel. So 1.403 is the average guess. And then for wheat, looking for an increase of about 25 million bushel, putting that at 583 is the average guess here today. So a couple things to watch. Talks right now, China's crush margins back in the positive. Talks right now that they may be looking for beans again. But here in the U.S., as far as our beans, we're sitting $50 higher than Brazilian beans. So we've got a big number. We're sitting well above Brazilian beans, certainly less favorable for ours. Shipping from Brazil to the United States is about $15 per metric ton. So you look at that, yes, there are still talks that we may end up seeing cargoes toward the United States here as well because of the big increase for the U.S. beans. But all eyes will be on that report today. How is that going to come out? What kind of reaction can we get from that? So watch those numbers. The bean number, I think, is going to be watched the closest. Winter wheat ratings came out yesterday, 35%, good to excellent. 12-year, this is a 12-year low. So we'll see. They are expecting some rains, I guess, for the weekend. 11 to 15-day forecast still has some decent rains in it as well. So we'll need to watch that. Wheat, we end up seeing us kill that off a few times before we harvest anyway. But these are important things to watch right now. Can we get some rain down in the areas that certainly need it? So cool temperatures also looking to move in here middle of next week. But behind that, things look pretty good. So as far as the grains today, that report, 11 o'clock, those are things that we've got to watch. But as far as livestock, cattle's up 10 cents right now. You got box beef down 94 for choice, up 98 select. Packer break evens at this point, 140.96. We did have JBS bidding 146 in Texas. Offers at about 150. So no trade yet for cattle. Watch that throughout the week. As far as hogs, down 42 cents right now as far as April. June's, though, down another $1.30, continuing to break back. Watching more of the technicals for those charts for some of these back months that had such a rally, now giving back quite a bit of that. But we do have a gap in that June chart around that 115 level, so watch that as we approach those levels. Cutout values, though, only down a penny, 129.84, so still seeing strong cash markets, and we are sitting well discounted in the futures versus those cash numbers. As far as some of the outside markets, stocks up 59 right now. Gold down $5. Silver at this point down about 29 cents. And you've got the dollar currently about 4 points higher. So give us a call if you guys have questions, 800-262-7538, or check us out on the web, allendale-inc.com. Hope you have a great day today. We'll talk to you again tomorrow morning.